What's going on, guys? Sirluis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, and in today's video I got a unique video here for you guys, and that is how to get free crypto when paying your mortgage and rent. That is right. I'm going to show you guys here how to do this step by step. And you can earn a significant amount of crypto when you pay your mortgage and rent, and this goes for everybody. Okay, I'm gonna show you right here step by step. So the first step you guys want to do is I have a link in the description and pinned comment below to download Coinbase. Use my link and you get $10 free worth of Bitcoin that you can keep or sell. You're gonna need Coinbase to do this, okay? So after you get Coinbase, you sign up. All right, we're gonna open up here Coinbase. I'm gonna show you guys here step number 2. What you guys want to do is you're gonna scroll all the way down on the home page, of course, until you see the Coinbase card. Now, it doesn't show right here for me because I already have the Coinbase card. But there's going to be a section where it tells you how to get the Coinbase card, which is super easy. All you do is click on it and you literally get the card in seconds. You can use it for online orders, okay? But then you get the physical card in about a week. You get that mailed out to you, and then once you get that physical card, you can activate it by putting in the numbers right here on the app, and then you can use that debit card, which is powered by Visa, okay? And it's a debit card. That's another thing. It's powered by Visa and you can use it anywhere, okay? Now moving on here to step number 3. Again, you're going to be able to get free crypto by paying your mortgage or rent. Step number 3 is going to be funding your Coinbase so you can spend crypto using that Coinbase card. But when you fund your Coinbase, you guys want to get to this asset specifically, and that is going to be USD coin. You guys see right here, USD coin. You're going to want to buy USD coin. All you got to do is go right here to the middle and you're going to click buy. And then of course, after funding your account from connecting your bank, right, you fund your account with the amount that you're going to pay for your mortgage or rent. You're going to send that money over. Then after, you just buy USD coin. And then when you click on pay, it should say the amount that's in the card. It should show a picture of the card, and it should say the amount available on the card that you're able to spend with the Visa card. Now the next step, which is super important, guys, is you click on pay, click on your card, and you're going to choose which crypto reward to get. And the best one, in my opinion, is 4% back and Stellar Lumens, which is XLM. Now the reason why is because 4%, as you guys can see right here, is the highest. And number 2 is that XLM, to withdraw XLM from Coinbase to, let's say, Kucoin or some other exchange where you can sell it for another coin that you like more, it's free to withdraw, okay? There's 0 fees and it's super fast because it's XLM. All right, great. So you funded your Coinbase card. You have the amount that you're going to pay for rent or mortgage. So the next part is to pay your rent and mortgage. And I'm pretty sure that a lot of you guys that pay your mortgage or rent pay online, and most of you guys probably use a debit card from your bank. Now tell me this, why would you use a regular bank debit card where you get no cash back when you can use the Coinbase card where you can get 4% back in XLM for any transaction? And let me show you guys your example, okay? Let's say your mortgage is, let's say, $2,000, right? You pay $2,000 every month for your mortgage. So let's do right here, $2,000 times 0.04, which is 4%. You're gonna get for that month, guys, you're gonna get for this transaction, you're gonna get, boom, $80 worth of XLM just from that transaction of $2,000, right? I mean, that is crazy. And again, like I said, you can send this XLM to other exchanges like Kucoin and sell it for other coins that you want to buy. And maybe, let's say, for example, your rent is $1,200, right? $1,200 times 0.04, 4%. You're going to get back $48, guys. $48. That's literally free crypto right there that you're getting back on this Coinbase cashback card. Why would you use a regular bank card to make your your payments now? And again, I made this video for mortgage and rent because these are pretty high transactions, but again, this can be used for daily things like groceries, gas, all these things that you buy on the daily. So that's how you guys do it. It's very simple to do. Use my referral code to join Coinbase. And honestly, this is pretty under the radar. A lot of people don't even know about this. It's not like you have to store all your money on your Coinbase card, put all your money in USD coin. No, you can literally put that money in there when you have to buy something, right? Put that money in there maybe 5 days before, and then you make the transactions. You don't have to keep or store your money all in the Coinbase card. Again, guys, my channel is all about, for you guys that are beginning into crypto, and I'm just trying to help you guys out to get the most out of, crypto. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, join my free Facebook crypto group, and thank you guys so much, and comment what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.